Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a game changer for all YouTubers out there: YouTube automation. If you're looking to streamline your channel growth and save valuable time, then you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's clarify what YouTube automation is. It's all about using tools and strategies to automate various tasks related to your YouTube channel, allowing you to focus on creating great content and engaging with your audience. Content planning and research. The first area where automation can be a game changer is content planning and research. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas and researching keywords, you can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to automate this process. These tools provide valuable insights on popular topics, trending keywords, and even competitor analysis, helping you create content that resonates with your target audience. Video editing and publishing. Editing and publishing videos can be time-consuming, but with automation, you can streamline this process. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro offer features like batch editing, where you can apply the same edits to multiple videos simultaneously. Additionally, you can use scheduling tools like TubeBuddy or Hootsuite to automatically publish your videos at the optimal times for maximum reach and engagement. Social media promotion. Promoting your videos on social media is crucial for channel growth, but it can be a tedious task. With automation tools like Buffer or Social Pilot, you can schedule and automate your social media posts, ensuring consistent promotion across platforms without spending hours manually sharing your content. Comment management. Engaging with your audience through comments is essential, but it can become overwhelming as your channel grows. To save time, you can use tools like TubeBuddy or Agorapulse to automatically filter and respond to comments based on specific keywords or criteria. This way, you can focus on meaningful interactions while ensuring that no comment goes unnoticed. Analytics and reporting. Keeping track of your channel's performance is crucial for growth. Instead of manually analyzing data, you can use tools like YouTube Analytics or Google Data Studio to automate the process. These tools provide comprehensive reports on your channel's metrics, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your content strategy. Video conclusion. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of YouTube automation. By leveraging these tools and strategies, you can streamline your channel growth, save time, and focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. So, start exploring the world of automation and take your YouTube channel to new heights.